In my constituency in Tongaren, I have around 170 schools. 90% of those has girls. Madam Speaker, we are moving into the exam period, right from the end of this month to the end of the year. And many girls are going to lose exams because of menstrual hygiene. And therefore, I'm supporting this motion fully, that we need to do, the money which was appropriated need to be dispersed through members of parliament to distribute this standard, female members of parliament, to distribute this money directly to the concerned targets. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Sabina.
And I'm speaking as the MP of Yesu Tongaren, who cares a lot for the girls, Madam Speaker.
Honorable member for Muranga, not from Muranga, nominated member.